In this next episode, guys, I want to discuss with you a little bit about how to do basic graphic design. To start off, let's go ahead and look at using templates. So, you have an idea, but you want some help getting it going. The great thing is that Canva has this little search bar here that you can use. So, for starters, you go here, you can see templates and projects. So, for this template, I am going to say I want to create a logo, let's say. So I can do that. I can search for logo, and then it will give me templates that they've got. And all I simply have to do is click on it. And now I can see all kinds of different logo ideas that they have. If I hover over this, I can preview it, I can customize it, or if for some reason I thought it needed to, I can report it. So from right there, guys, that gives you the ability to very quickly see all kinds of templates that are available to you. Now, what about using custom dimensions? Now we have the free one, so here's a little something to know. You can't change the dimensions of a layout once you've already picked a template without having one of the paid for versions or the nonprofit education version. So, at least at the time of this recording. So, what we're going to do is we'll go back to Canva's main page, and let's say we have custom dimensions we want to use. Real simple. And just so you guys know, there's kind of a limitation to Canva on that. Your dimensions, minimum dimensions are 40 by 40 pixels, and maximum dimensions are 8,000 by 3,125. But to show you this, we're going to click Create a Design. We're going to use Custom Size, and then from here we can plug in the exact dimensions we want, and we can also do it in pixels. We can do it in inches, millimeters, and centimeters. And you can see here, as you plug in sizes, it will try to find you templates to match that. And all you gotta do is create new design. And this is a way you can start getting templates baked out very quickly how you want them. So let's go ahead and create this template here, right? I'm gonna go ahead and it says YouTube channel logo, so we'll run with that, right? So I'm gonna click on it. And from here now, we are in the design part of this thing. Now, you'll see here, guys, on the left side, there are a lot of templates that are available. We're gonna skip the tour for now. And that's the neat thing is they've got information built into their site so you can use it. We're going to go here and let's say we want to find a tech themed one, right? All of a sudden, here are a bunch of logo designs that fit this dimension. Here's a bunch of designs that fit this dimension that automatically work with these dimensions, and you have a design. Here, this one's got an animation to it. So it's actually, it's a video format, it looks like, although I'm not sure exactly what this one's doing, but showing it to you guys here. You have all kinds of ideas. Now, something to pay attention to, you'll see some of these have a crown and some of them don't. Crown involves pro or any kind of a paid for version. So if you've got a version that's paid for pro, the pro one or the nonprofit, things like that, it will have this there. You can use those. Otherwise, if you use them, you'll get a try it free, and then it will give you information about the package. You can try it for free, or you can just go back and find one that's not like that. So that's the first part, is your design. You can find styles, you can find templates. The next thing I want to do is let's talk about adding text, right? Right here you can go to text. There's font combinations that are pre-built. Again, some pro, some free. Then of course you've always got basic ones. So you can just add a text box, and we're just going to call it my logo. And from here you have all your basic controls. You've got size, font style. Again, you can see some paid, some free. You've got color, so we can change the color of our logo. So let's say I decide, hey, I want to make my logo green, or my text green. You can click there. You can change that. It's got, again, right here, a lot of you that worked with the rich text editors, Microsoft Word, things like that. All this is going to feel very familiar. You can change, widen this out so I can show it. Of course, you can change how it sits on the text box. You can add and remove bullet to it. You can adjust spacing. You can even add some basic effects to it. You can do different things there. Either way, you have control over that. I'm not going to curve it this time. And the last piece is really cool, is animation. This, just to go in the basics real quick, guys. These will allow you to edit the text in a way you like. Now, what if you want to duplicate a text box? It's real simple. You come here, you just click that, and now you've duplicated your text box. So right there, there's all kinds of text manipulation you can start doing to really design your logo. What if you want to throw an element into your logo? It's real easy. You come here, you click on elements, search for what you want. Let's look for tech. And let's see, I want graphics. I got photos, videos. For my thing, I'm building a logo. I want a graphic. Maybe I decide, oh, I want that, old school mouse cursor we all know and love. Or maybe I want some really cool, you know, piece of artwork to go on top of it. Things like that. You have all kinds of options available to you, and some are emotion. Some, they've got static ones and they've got ones that work in motion. So like right here, you can get one of the motion ones, and now you've got the ability to give your logo some personality. That's the cool part. So you have access to all kinds of elements here based on the different things you're wanting. Again, some free, some paid for, but each one will give you access to certain things. Even these videos here, guys, like there's free videos you have access to that will insert video into your design to where you can, put all kinds of cool stuff. I'm going to show you this guys later, but I'm just going to do it real fast. Use position here. Let's go back. I mean, here all of a sudden you've got a video moving in the background. Now, I know this doesn't look like a logo probably you want to run with, but just to show you guys how layers work or how the pieces work for that. So that's always really important. If you want to duplicate an element, it's real simple. Same thing. Click on the item, hit duplicate, and there you go. You've got a second element. If you want to delete it, real simple, hit the trash can. Guys, it's one thing I like about Canva. It's very drag and drop. It's very intuitive. Anybody can pick it up. So definitely a resource. And this is why I like using it as a resource. So this is a quick introduction to how this works, guys. One last piece I'm going to show you here really quick is when you are working with, I believe it was position. There it has two parts, arrange and layers. Now, I have to show you this. These are the different layers it's identified. They do take orders, so you can move them around. But this will just allow you to control how layers work, and they show you layers that are overlapping each other. So it gives you a lot of control here, guys, and it's really, really awesome. So a lot of cool options here. And but guys, that's going to give you just a quick basics, how to get a few things going. There's a lot more to this editing page, but I just wanted to get you guys started on the basics of using the editing. One last piece I'm going to show you real quick, and we'll cover this more later. If you design something you like it, click share, click download, pick the format. In this case, I'm going to do JPEG, and hit download, and it'll start downloading. So I'll catch you guys in the next module. Hope this was really informative for you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next module. Hope this was really informative.